Hi, today in front of me Motorola ThinkPhone, and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first let's open the Play Store application, and then in the search pool enter the green Apple keyboard. That's why just tap here to install. After that you'll enter the green Apple keyboard in the search pool, then tap to open the app, click enable in settings, and near green Apple keyboard click once on the switcher, tap twice to OK and go back. Then click to switch input methods and switch your current keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. Now the process is finished, so let's use the search to see the new look of our device keyboard, and we'll see how fast this feature is and does it works. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.